Welcome to science class. In this video, I am going to explain about impacts of plastics in the chapter Polymer Chemistry. Plastics are cheap, lightweight, strong, and durable and have contributed to a range of advances and benefits to our modern life. But the increase in the use of plastics, particularly the one-time use and throw away plastics, has serious impacts on the environment, animals, and our health. We have seen garbage dumps with different plastics. One big problem with plastics is that they do not decompose or biodegrade. This leads to a large amount of waste that will not disappear and end up accumulating and polluting the environment. A lot of one-time use plastics such as polythene bags and food packaging that are thrown away are responsible for littering the environment and clogging drains. Standing water breeds mosquitoes that can spread diseases such as malaria, dengue, and chikungunya, and also lead to flooding. Many animals confuse plastic for food and end it by accident. When leftover food is thrown away, it is often packed in plastic. Animals smell the leftover food and eat the plastic by accident. For example, animals in urban areas, particularly cows, goat, and crow, often eat polythene plastic bags by accident as they contain food waste. A lot of the plastic waste we use, such as plastic bags, bottles, and straws, ends up in the oceans. Plastic in the ocean are exposed to sunlight, water, and the physical movement of the waves while breaks it down in the tiny pieces called microplastics. Some microplastics are also found in household products. Examples are microbeads that can found in toothpaste, face wash, and body scrubs. Microbeads are washed down in drains and ends up in the soil, rivers, lakes, and the ocean. Microbeads are washed down in the drains and ends up in the soil, rivers, lakes, which cause pollution. In this figure, a microplastic found on the teeth. Many birds eat plastic items and small pieces of plastic which are covered in algae. Once in the stomach of animals, plastic cannot be digested, and this decreases the amount of space for food and can lead to starvation. In 2015, plastics were found in 90% of seabirds. We have already read, the government of Tamil Nadu has banned one-time use and throw away plastics such as plastic carry bags, plates, straws, and water pouches. This is an indication that important efforts are taking place to reduce negative consequences of plastics on the environment. We have seen that synthetic clothes are made from plastic. Every time we wash synthetic clothes, small fibers called microfibers escape and end up in the soil, streams, rivers, and oceans. Dangerous pollution called persistent organic pollutants floating in the ocean sticks to the small pieces of plastics, making them toxic. Marine animals and fish often eat microplastics, confusing them for their natural sources of food. The toxins build up in these animals and move up the food chain and can end up to our bodies. Microplastics can be found in the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. Students, I hope you have understood about the impacts of plastics. Thank you.